everyone, welcome back to Easy Byte. In this video, we are covering the top 30 Q MCQs perfect for interviews, coding rounds, and quick revision. We will be covering MCQs on all DSA topics in upcoming videos, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Let's get started. What principle does a queue follows? Options are LIFO, FIFO, FILO, and random access. Option B is correct. Queue follows first in first out principle where the first inserted element is the first to be removed. Which operation inserts an element at the end of a queue? Options are pop, push, NQ, and DQ. Option C is correct. NQ is the operation that adds an element at the rear. Which operation removes the element from the front of a queue? Options are pop, NQ, DQ, and peek. Option C is correct. DQ removes an element from the front of a queue. What is the front element after NQ10, NQ20, and NQ30? Options are 10, 20, 30, and none. Option A is correct. The first inserted element will be at the front. Which of the following is not a standard queue operation? Options are NQ, DQ, peek, and insert at middle. Option D is correct. Queue does not support insertion at arbitrary position. Which data structure is commonly used to implement a queue? Options are array, tree, graph, and hash map. Option A is correct. Queues are typically implemented using arrays or linked list. When is a fixed size queue considered full? Options are front equals rear, rear equals size minus 1, front equals minus 1, and rear equals 0. Option B is correct. In a fixed size array, the queue is full when rear reaches the last index. What happens when you try to dequeue from an empty queue? Options are overflow, underflow, reset, and nothing. Option B is correct. Trying to remove an element from an empty queue results in underflow. What is the time complexity of both NQ and DQ in a queue? Options are order of n, order of log n, order of 1, and order of n log n. Option C is correct. Both operations takes constant time in a properly implemented queue. Which type of queue allows insertion and deletion from both ends? Options are simple queue, circular queue, DQ, and priority queue. Option C is correct. DQ, also known as double-ended queue, allows operations from both ends. What is a circular queue? Options are queue with circular elements, queue where rear connects to front, queue with no end, and queue with random access. Option B is correct. Circular queue wraps around to reuse space efficiently. Which of the following is true about circular queue? Options are it wastes memory, it uses memory efficiently, it allows random access, and it supports LIFO. Option B is correct. Circular queue utilizes the array space more efficiently than linear queues. Which queue is best for scheduling tasks with different priorities? Options are simple queue, circular queue, priority queue, and DQ. Option C is correct. Priority queues are ideal for scheduling where tasks have priority level. What is dequeued after NQ1, NQ2, DQ? Options are 1, 2, 0, and error. Option A is correct. The first inserted element is the first to be dequeued, which is not a characteristics of queue. Options are FIFO, linear structure, allows insertion at front, and supports NQ and DQ. Option C is correct. Standard queue only allows insertion at rear, not the front. What are the initial values of front and rear in an empty queue? Options are 0, -1, 1, and undefined. Option B is correct. In an empty queue, front and rear are often initialized to -1. In a circular queue, what does rear equals front indicates? Options are queue is full, queue is empty, overflow, and underflow. Option A is correct. This condition signifies a full circular queue, which is a real world example of a queue. Options are stack of plates, call center line, undo operation, and tree traversal. Option B is correct. Call queues operates on FIFO just like a queue. Which data structure is used in printer spooling? Options are stack, queue, tree, and graph. Option B is correct. Printer tasks are processed in order using a queue. Which queue is used in round robin CPU scheduling? Options are priority queue, circular queue, DQ, and stack. Option B is correct. Round robin scheduling uses circular queue to cycle through the task. Which algorithm internally uses a queue? Options are DFS, BFS, binary search, and merge sort. Option B is correct. BFS relies on a queue to maintain the next node to visit. Which of these is not a valid type of queue? Options are simple queue, double queue, circular queue, and priority queue. Option B is correct. Double queue is not a standard queue type. Which queue allows both NQ and DQ operation at both ends? Options are DQ, priority queue, circular queue, and simple queue. Option A is correct. A DQ means double-ended queue, supports insertion and deletion at both ends. What is the main benefit of a circular queue over a linear queue? Options are faster operation, better memory uses, easier to implement, and supports LIFO. Option B is correct. Circular queue makes use of array space more efficiently. When does queue overflow occurs? Options are queue is empty, queue is full, on DQ, and on peak. Option B is correct. Overflow happens when inserting into a full queue. How many did you get right? Comment below your scores and any questions you have. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EasyByte. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.